Thank you for downloading Ezy Hotel Manager. The first thing you need to do when implementing Ezy Hotel Manager is to set up the company details, room types, and communication channels. Now you need to capture the first screen of the setup wizard, which requires the company name, and the company name is Purple Olive Guesthouse. The next thing you capture is the username, which is Josephine. The username is very important for the Ezy Hotel Manager system because it keeps track of who did what and when through the system audit trails. The next field is the country field, which is where the hotel is operating from. Down here is a setup for date and currency formats that would be used throughout the system. Click Next to go to the next screen. This section of the software setup deals with room types, number of rooms, the rate each room costs, and the maximum number of guests can stay in the same room. Rooms are sold per person, per unit, or per person sharing option. In our hotel we only have 3 room types, which are double room, executive room, twin room. The rate for the double room is $100, and there are 3 rooms of this type. The rate for the executive room is $140, and there are 2 rooms of this type. The rate for the twin room is $120, and there are 3 rooms of this type. Now, click Next to go to the next screen. In this section you will see a detailed list of all the rooms you have just captured in the previous screen. You can even change the room names from the room name column to correspond to the current room name of your hotel. For an example, you can replace a room called Room 1 to Lion Room. Now, click Next to go to the next screen. This section is responsible for capturing the hotel contact details like physical address, email address, telephone numbers, fax, and website details. Our physical address is 68 Bray Street, Manhattan, New York. And our email address is bookings@purpleoliveguesthouse.com. Our landline telephone number is 1555-555-5555. And lastly, our website is www.ezyhotelmanager.com. Please click Next to go to the next screen. This section is responsible for capturing all the hotel banking details, which are the SWIFT code, bank name, branch name, bank account number. These banking details' only purpose is to be displayed at the bottom of the hotel's customer invoice or customer quote. This section is responsible for capturing the hotel tax details, and the details will be displayed in each invoice you issue. The different tax options are GST option, VAT option, and no tax option. This section is responsible for capturing the communication channels to be used. These settings are outgoing SMTP email settings that make it possible for the Ezy Hotel Manager to send emails, faxes, and SMSs. This makes it possible for our hotel to send quotes or invoices to our customers. Click the button with New Booking to initiate a new booking. Now we will make a reservation for 2 double room for Mr. John Doe. After that, click the button with New Customer to introduce a new customer to the system. The customer name is John Doe, and his email address is johndoe@yahoo.com. His cell number is 1555-555-5555. And lastly, his fax number is 1555-555-4444. Please click OK to go to the next screen. Now that Mr. John Doe is captured in the system, the booking's current status is reservation, and it also shown as an unconfirmed booking. This is because we do not yet have a deposit payment to confirm this booking. The reservation is also set to expire and cancelled automatically if it is not confirmed before the expiry date, which is October 25, 2016, at 4 p.m. The next thing we do is to send an email or fax or SMS to Mr. John Doe about his reservation. Click the email/fax/SMS icon to send this reservation. On this messaging screen you see 3 sections, one for sending emails, another one for sending faxes, and another one for sending SMS. Click quote/invoice, PDF, of the email section. Click quote/invoice of the fax section. Click send message of the SMS section. Click OK to send all email/fax/SMS you just selected. For receiving the email, Mr. John Doe makes a $120 payment for his booking using a bank transfer facility. Please click the payment button to initiate the payment. Capture the $120 payment from Mr. John Doe on the payment amount field. Change payment type to bank transfer. Click OK to confirm the payment. Note that the unconfirmed booking has now changed to confirmed booking because of the payment made by Mr. John Doe. On the scheduled date, Mr. John Doe checks in our hotel. Click the check-in button to check in Mr. John Doe. Note that the status has now changed from reservation to check-in, and the confirmed booking status has been changed to invoice. The system also caters for major internet online booking sites like Expedia, Agoda, Booking.com, Airbnb, etc. For the purpose of this demonstration, a few internet bookings have been captured. Now, click the online booking button. The online bookings module interfaces with Octorate as the main channel manager. In short, you need to register with Octorate for it to work. This online booking automatically pops up anytime you get a new online booking. There are 2 sections. One section is for new bookings, where you report invalid credit cards. And the other one is for old bookings, where you report no-show bookings. Click Report Invalid Card for the first transaction of the new online bookings. You will notice that the response says successful. This confirms that this booking has been reported as having an invalid credit card to Octorate and Booking.com. Now click on the old online booking section. Click Report as no-show for the first transaction of the old online bookings. You will notice that the response says successful. This confirms that this booking has been reported as a no-show to Octorate and Booking.com. Click on the Day In tab so that you can initiate Day In procedure. Every day, you need to do the Day In procedure. It actually helps in cashing up all booking transaction payments for the day and create a single summary Day In report. Click Add Day In button to initiate the Day In function. The Day In function now shows 100% done. Now, click Preview at the top to see the Day In report. Now, here is a summarized Day In report showing all payments for the day and all previous and outstanding invoices. You will also notice the $120 payment from Mr. John Doe. Below on the debtor section you will see that Mr. John Doe still owes us $80. This concludes the demo on Ezy Hotel Manager. We hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for participating.